Hi, this is Jim Slane, Kettering, Ohio. Just about finished with this. This is all pre-painted hardy panel. Customer actually wanted to use the H-channel strips on this. Had to do a lot of custom metal capping, flashing that goes up underneath the hardy board. This was an old patio. Pella doors, Pella windows. The brick was already here. I tore out all the frame from underneath the existing roof. There's a screened-in porch. These aren't painted yet. They're just primed. Just got to put the trim up along the top. Custom metal cap right there, basically over the old, I guess it's vinyl barn siding, so it doesn't get water in there. It's got all metal flashing. It goes custom bent, goes up here, up about this far, because that's capping off the limestones. That way water doesn't saturate the limestone, draw up and rot out the frame plates. Number 614-470-2356. Generally do all types of siding, brick, stone, masonry, all carpentry work, roof repair, chimneys, you name it. You can see some of my other YouTube videos. Slane Brick Stone. 614-470-2356. Thank you for watching.